Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurjana, student ID number 19920410027, Accounting Education Class B. I will presentation statement of financial position and statement of lending at December 31 in millions asset, cash and equivalent. For the years 2006, $13,485,000. For the years 2005, $18,278,000. Investment security for the years 2006, $67,833,000. For the years 2005, $61,890,000. Current receivable for the years 2006, $7,290,000. For the years 2005, $6,870,000. Inventory for the years 2006, $3,444,000. For the years 2005, $3,281,000. Financing receivable for the years 2006, $121,189,000. 2005, $113,871,000. Insurance receivable for the years 2006, $2,560,000. For the years 2005, $2,187,000. Other receivable for the years 2006, $185,000. For the years 2005, $1,009,000. Property, plant, equipment net for the years 2006, $46,005,000. 2005, $44,875,000. Investment 2006, $18,320,000. 2005, $18,320,000. Intangible asset for the years 2006, $19,838,000. For the years 2005, $17,998,000. All other assets for the years 2006, $65,871,000. For the years 2005, $62,755,000. So, total assets for the years 2006, $366,818,000. For the years 2005, $351,334,000. Liability and equity. Short-term borrowings for the years 2006, $95,531,000. For the years 2005, $92,736,000. Account payable for the years 2006, $12,894,000. For the years 2005, $10,209,000. Progress collection for the years 2006, $2,890,000. For the years 2005, $3,897,000. Dividend payable for the years 2006, $1,155,000. For the years 2005, $1,100,000. All other current costs and expense for the years 2006, $9,598,000. For the years 2005, $8,293,000. Accrued for the years 2006, $77,728,000. For the years 2005, $70,354,000. Long-term points. Insurance liability refers an annuity. For the years 2006, $85,389,000. For the years 2005, $84,283,000. Benefit. For the years 2006, $37,487,000. For the years 2005, $33,763,000. All other liability. For the years 2006, $12,736,000. For the years 2005, $14,198,000. So total liability for the years 2006, $333,400,000. For the years 2005, $318,835,000. Minority interest in equity of consolidate. For the years 2006, $2,374,000. For the years 2005, $2,174,000. Common stock. For the years 2006, $1,114,000. For the years 2005, $1,114,000. Accumulated gain or loss net. For the years 2006, $2,189,000. For the years 2005, $2,427,000. Other capital. For the years 2006, $9,827,000. For the years 2005, $9,834,000. Retained earnings. For the years 2006, $30,545,000. For the years 2005, $29,772,000. Less common stock held in treasury. 2006, $12,739,000. 2005, $12,927,000. So total share owner equity for the years 2006, $31,036,000. For the years 2005, $30,320,000. Total liability and equity for the years 2006, $366,818,000. For the years 2005, $351,334,000. Statement of earnings for the years ended December 31 in million per share amounts in dollars. Revenue, sales of goods sold. For the years 2006, $80,764,000. For the years 2005, $78,847,000. For the years 2004, $74,387,000. Sales of service. For the years 2006, $4,384,000. For the years 2005, $4,267,000. For the years 2004, $5,925,000. Other income. 2006, $1,212,000. 2005, $1,434,000. 2004, $1,228,000. So total revenue for the years 2006, $86,342,000. For the years 2005, $84,548,000. For the years 2004, $81,540,000. Cost and expense. Cost of goods sold for the years 2006, $28,659,000. For the years 2005, $27,498,000. For the years 2004, $25,728,000. Cost of service goods sold. 2006, $4,112,000. 2005, $4,250,000. For the years 2004, $5,601,000. Interest and financial charges. 2006, $8,518,000. 2005, $18,855,000. 2004, $8,645,000. Insurance loss and policyholder and annuity benefits. For the year 2006, $10,372,000. For the year 2005, $10,137,000. 2004, $9,928,000. Provision for loss on financing receivable. For the year 2006, $4,374,000. 2005, $4,561,000. 2004, $4,612,000. Other costs and expense. For 2006, $16,180,011. 2005, $16,735,000. 2004, $14,418,000. Minority interest in net earning of consolidated affiliate. For the years 2006, $215,000. 2005, $188,000. 2004, $195,000. So total cost and expense for the years 2006, $73,061,000. For the years 2005, $72,229,000. For the years 2004, $69,189,000. Earning before income tax and accounting change. Accounting change for the years 2006, $13,281,000. For the years 2005, $12,319,000. For the years 2004, $12,351,000. Provision for income tax. 2006, $3,547,000. 2005, $3,188,000. 2004, $3,441,000. Earning before accounting change. 2006, $9,734,000. 2005, $9,131,000. 2004, $8,910,000. So cumulative effect of accounting change for the years 2006, 0, 2005, $212,000, 2004, 0. Net earning for the years 2006, $9,734,000. 2005, $8,919,000. 2004, $8,910,000. Per share amount. Per share amount before accounting change, diluted earning per share. For the years 2006, $1.22. $22. For the years 2005, $1.16. 2004, $1.13 basic earning per share. 2006, $1.23. 2005, $1.20. 2004, $1.14 per share amount after accounting change. 2006, $1.22. 2005, $1.13. 2004, $1.13. Diluted earning per share. For the years 2006, $1.23. For the years 2005, $1.14. 2004, $1.14. So basic earning per share 2006, $0.49. For the years 2005, $0.46. For the years 2004, $0.45.